Oh no! Huntrix is in trouble! This is bad! Who could be behind such a dastardly scheme? The Saja boys! We should have known. How are our favorite super idols getting out of this? Don't worry, help is on the way. But will it be too late? Wow, Mira's a mermaid! It's a dream come true! Let's hope the others sprouted some gills too. Ooh, Zoe's got a tail! And big bright eyes.
What?
Don't worry about Rumi, she's climbed out of bigger messes. Our little mermaids are gonna need a place to rest their fins.
Yay!
I don't think pieces of candy are the answer. Wait a sec, candy is always the answer. And look, we can use the wrappers to decorate the walls. They even kind of look like mermaid fins. Kinda.
Wow!
And there's more than enough to fill things up. Wow, the rainbow fish must have been generous today.
Wow!
Home renovation is thirsty work. How about some juice?
Whoa!
Is it empty? Good. We can use that container. She's always got a trick up her sleeve. A slip cover, but it needs something else. Twist and turn this pipe cleaner into a cool new shape.
Wow!
It's coral, the perfect thing for our seabed. Couch. Come on, girls. Why don't you sit down and relax?
Yes!
Hey, somebody's splashing around here. Oh, it's Mira, and she's got the right idea. After all, a mermaid needs to be near water. Just take a large hamster tunnel, like from a large hamster. Hang them up. They can become slides. Next, grab our special treasure chest. It's got just what we need, aquarium glass.
Wow!
Here's the fun part. Take a hammer and break it into gravel. Now we can use it to cover up the seafloor. And no one said that it can't be rainbow colored. Add some underwater decor, like a castle and some sea plants. Don't forget to make a little treasure chest of their own. The slides could use a little something too.
Yay!
Okay, girls, why don't you try them out? Come on, there's plenty of room down here for all of you. Oh, Rumi, save that for the public pool.
Ew!
Yeah, I can see why Mira's sitting this one out. What can we do? An egg? Well, at least it's fresh. Leaving the nest so soon? See you later. But his love is always with us. See? It could use a little something, like some gum. Make sure it has a square shape and add it on. Of course, we want to keep our ocean theme going. Besides, coral is just so comfy. Here, Rumi. We should give her some alone time. Ooh, it looks like Zoe's getting hungry. And I'm sure Mira can eat too. Take some scraps of paper. It's doll seaweed. Now add some filling on the inside. It's our very special mermaid gimbop.
Cool.
Made for mermaids, not out of mermaids. No mermaids were hurt in the making of this video. This should put some spring in your step. Just kidding. It's Romune. It's their trademark. You know, I think we've all earned a treat. Ooh, save that paper cup when you're done.
Wow.
Do you need an antacid? Or a breath mint? All good? Well then, let's get crafting. We can use it to make a TV castle. Wow, it even picks up Cool Tool videos. But it looks like Rumi wants to hit the hay. Or whatever the mermaid version of that is. Grab a zip pack and fill it with water beads. Seal it up tight and lie it down flat. Now let's add some color, like blue and green. Add some paper, down below and some on top. We need to spread the color out, so get smushing. Come on, I want to see some serious turquoise. Find some room for our seabed in the corner. All Rumi needs is some pillows and she can sleep. Or lie back and feel the beads between her fingers. Hey, who keeps throwing trash? Oh, it's you.
Wow.
What are you even looking for? A plastic bottle? Break it up and keep the bottom half. Draw a blue circle and carve it out. Now it's time to start heating things up. Make some nice shapes to put together. Hey, we've made a baby jellyfish. Of course, they need to float. Hang them up. And just look at how they light up the room. Besides, Rumi can use a little nightlight. Next up, grab an old glue gun stick. Now break it up into little pieces. But we really want to make sure everyone gets the point. Make sure you've got adult supervision, even if you are one. Who says an octopus's garden can't be well lit?
Yay!
Now enjoy some fun, well-written videos. You know, they're great singers, but they're real sirens now. It's snack time for Huntrix. Just look at all those goodies. Don't forget something to wash everything down. But be careful. Demons could be closer than you think. Those are some interesting ramen flavors. I know you like things spicy, but we're about to have a disco inferno. Quick, get out of there! Someone call the fire department. Don't worry, Derpy's here to help. Climb on his back and fly. Up, up, and away! We'll take you to someone who can help. Just pretend you're on your own home renovation show. We'll start with something pretty and pink.
Wow. Cool.
You've already ditched a blazing fire.
Meh.
So let's start with a place to help you keep your cool. That's right, we're making you a bathroom. Fully furnished. can never have too many rubber duckies. But we can't forget the most important part, real water. Hey, careful! That's not a real donut! It's a bath bomb! Nothing beats a bubble bath. Besides, after all that you girls just went through, you deserve a chance to freshen up and relax. Pretend it's spa day. Good thing you brought your swimsuits. Just lie back and scrub all your problems away. Make sure you scrub behind your ears. Ooh, I didn't know this tub was a jacuzzi. Wait, it's not?
Ew. Okay.
Don't worry. I'm sure we can craft up some sort of solution. Always knew plumbing school was a good idea. Here's something to help you do your business. And we're not talking about Huntrix merchandise. This new potty also boasts a familiar face. Who wants to try out our new Labubu latrine? It looks like Rumi is our first taker. Yeah, let's give Rumi some privacy. Don't forget to wash your hands when you're done. Done with the tub? Well, why don't we get you a towel? Meanwhile, why don't we finish refurnishing? Of course, it's new, so maybe it's just furnishing.
Wow.
Next up, it's time for a little ironing. After all, Mira needs a bathrobe too. Don't forget Zoe. Now they're all pretty and pink. But that's not enough. You girls are freezing. We need something warm. Start with some orange. Such a vibrant color. Things already look warmer. Now you can keep your feet warm in these cute new slippers. Zoe will take hers in blue. Wow, she's flexible. Mira's in the mood for some sunny yellow. We've earned a snack break. Oh, inspiration strikes! We can put these marshmallows to better use. I was thinking s'mores, but new wall decor works too. In fact, new furniture is just a pantry away. Just look at what we can do with some instant noodles. Add glue and something soft. And you've got a new couch. Of course, you can't have a couch without any pillows. Wrap something soft around some cotton and seal it up. A plastic cover will help protect from spills. Besides, it'll make it easier to add a familiar face. It's Derpy, but he'll need some ears. That'll do. Aw, twins! Come on, girls, check out the new couch. We know how much you like to veg out. Ah, nothing beats curling up with a furry friend. But be careful. I think this one has a mind of his own. Of course, it's not safe to relax on an empty stomach. Well, I'm sure we can whip something up. In fact, you can have your very own snack bar. Now what's something all the girls of Huntrix would like? Ooh, how about corn dogs? Yeah, their mouths are watering already. They come in all your favorite flavors, plus ketchup. Of course, we're gonna need to scrounge up some ingredients. Add some coins if you want to have a bite. Why don't we try each of your flavors? First, Mira. Now for Zoe and Rumi. Talk about fast food. Anyone want ketchup? Here's the best part. It's free! Keep it coming. And it's important to hydrate too. These dogs went as fast as they came. Uh-oh, if only cleanup was that easy. Let's spin the Huntrix wheel. Where does it end? Wow, what do you win? A fun new prize. But you gotta be patient. We gotta make it up first. Just need the essentials first, like string and a plastic top. It's a new seat. And a soft cushion so it's extra comfy. Here, Zoe, why don't you take it for a spin? And when we say spin, you know we mean it. But sometimes it's best to stay still and read a good book. Don't forget to show Derpy all those pictures. It's time for Rumi to check her messages. But first, we probably should make her a laptop. Remember, we need something that can fit on a lap. Hence the name, at least when folded in half. Of course, it's always best to personalize. Now you'll need keys, a touchpad, and one cool screensaver. Here, Rumi, you can check all your messages. And it looks like you've got a friend request. Oh, someone's happy to hear from Ginu. But maybe we should see how things go first. Fun's fun, but Huntrix needs to practice for the big show. Why don't we make them a brand new stage? And you can't forget the Huntrix logo. Don't forget, we want the girls to shine on stage. So why don't we bring the stars down to Earth? Of course, we know who the real stars are around here. Come on, girls, it's time to step up, stand tall, and strike a pose. Now, it's time to dance. You know the moves. You've trained for this, literally, with Bobby. You're going up, up, up. It's your moment. Oh, come on. You know you want to sing along. That's enough practice for today. Why don't we make something to help you catch some Z's? Great idea! We'll make you some bunk beds. You can all be buddies, which you already are. Add some finishing touches, like pillows and ladders. Maybe some chutes? Okay, girls, it's bedtime. Rumi's on the bottom bunk. Mira's on the top. And Zoe gets the spot in the middle. Wow! Everything in your new house looks great! Of course, our favorite demon hunting band deserves the best. Either way, sleep tight. Don't let Guima bite.